Hi, I'm David Birch. I'm a Tai Chi and Qigong teacher, and this is day number 10 of my 15-minute wellness 28-day challenge. It's where we teach simple techniques that combat stress and help the body heal. You get a great return on your investment, our time being our most precious commodity. We practice the most effective Qigong techniques using the most effective frameworks that use synergy to multiply the effects in the shortest amount of time. Today, we're going to learn swimming dragon. This is a Qigong exercise. It's called swimming dragon. It's a very interesting and very useful technique for a flexible spine. And also, it's going to generate some movement for us to generate some energy flow from a 45-degree angle to you so that you can see it best. The arms float up, and then the hips move back. The head goes in between the arms like we're a dragon in water. And then the hands move back. The head moves up like a dragon rising out of the water. And then we go hips back, hips forward, hands forward, circling back. Breathing out, breathing in, coming up for air, expelling air, swimming dragon. Swimming dragon Qigong. Very easy, very nice for a supple spine, for longevity. Let's do a Qigong routine that has everything that we've learned this week so far. We're going to be doing lifting the sky, breathing in, breathing out. We're going to do pushing mountains, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And we're going to do swimming dragon, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And then we're just going to relax the body. So as we do these exercises, we're going to build up some momentum. We're going to build up some energy, get it flowing. And then we're going to let it go a little bit and relax our body. Then we're going to let it settle. And then we'll close. With your feet fairly close together, that's open by shifting your weight to the right, stepping out with the left. Sink. Soften the knees. Sink the tailbone a little bit like you're sitting on a tall chair. The bottom part of your body is heavy. Feel the weight on your feet. Top light, float the head. Breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes, place your attention at your scalp. We're going to relax the body from head to toe, starting with the very top of our head. Soften the scalp. Soften your forehead. Let all the tension release. Soften the face. Let the jaw drop, open a little bit. Sigh of relief, ha sound. Soften all the muscles in the back of your head. Soften your neck, release tension in your shoulders. You can move a little bit. You can sigh. Relax the chest, the stomach, all the muscles of the back, from top to bottom. Relax the hips and the glutes, the quads and the thighs, the shins, calves. Then float the head, breathe in. And exhale, dumping all the remaining stress to the ground. Smile from the heart. Lifting the sky. Wrist rotate, fingers point toward each other like we're pressing down. We breathe in, arms rise up and press against the sky. Straighten up, arms float down. Looking down at your hands with your eyes closed. Breathe in, raise up, press up. Breathe out, float down. Reset your hands, breathing in, press, out, reset hands. Inhale up, exhale down, relax. Breathing in, that's all you need to know about the form. Just inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Don't worry if you're doing it right or wrong, you're doing it good enough. Doing it just fine for benefits. Breathing in, breathing out, linking our motion with our breath. Mindful movement, relaxed and focused mind. Let the hands float down. Palms face the front. Palms face the ceiling as your elbows go back, lifting the palms up to chest level. Breathe in. Turn the hands to the front. Push up, breathe out. Lift the fingertips. Pull back, open up the chest, breathe in. Push out, breathe out. Inhale back. Exhale out. Pushing mountains. Link your breath to your motion. Pushing out, you breathe out. Pulling your hands back in, you breathe in. In and out. Breathing in, breathing out. Going back in, pushing back out. One continuous circle. The body is relaxed, so it will move a little bit with this motion. We're not just stiff and standing there. Whole body is involved. The body is soft and relaxed, especially the shoulders, the elbows down. This last push out, leave the palms out in front of you. Soften those shoulders, drop the shoulders. Sigh of relief. Fingertips to the sky. Soften the knees. Sink. Breathe. Turn the palms to the sky. Feel the palms. Breathe. Pull the palms back in, palms up alongside your chest. Holding sun and moon. Subtle. Grounding yourself. Palms down, breathe out. Pull the hands back up. Chest level. Hands go out, hips go back. Palms toward the ground or towards the water. Head down in the water. Breathe out. Breathe in, come up out of the water. Your swimming dragon. Out. In. Linking your breath to your motion, breathing out as you go out. As your hips go back. As you come back up, breathe in. Out. And in. Relax more. Relax your spine. Relax your hips. Enjoy the motion, the forward and slightly back, bending of the spine. Relax. Go forward and breathe out. Go back, breathe in. Looser, a little bit faster, more fluid, more flowing. You're swimming on dry land. And then just let your arms drop. Let your body drift. Relax more and more. Let your body drift, sway more. Then slowly wind down and back to center. Sink. Back into that neutral position. Knees soft. You're sitting on a tall chair. Enjoy the stillness. Eyes still closed. Rub your hands together. Warm up your palms. Cover your eyes with your palms. Heat penetrating from your palms to your eyes. Enjoy the warmth. Enjoy the darkness and the tranquility. Then blink open your eyes. Allow some light in. Lift your palms. Allow more light in. Dry wash around your face. Maybe rub your ears. Get some circulation going in your ears. Thank you for joining me.